In this video, we are going to learn how to use the sweep along guide command in Siemens NX. So let's start. First of all, we have to go to the surface. Then here in the base, we have to just go to the more. And here we will find the command of sweep along guide in the sweep section. So I'm going to select this command. Here we have two requirements. The very first one is regarding the section, that we need this section which is going to be get swept. Along with that, we are going to have the guide along which the section is going to sweep. So this is how we are going to use this sweep along guide. Now, first of all, we are going to make a section along with a guide. So just cancel this and I'm going to have a sketch here. I'll make a sketch on right plane and this section is going to be used for the guide. So I'm just going to have a spline here like this. This is going to get open like this. Just click on OK. Now I'm going to finish this. Now, the very special tip for the sweep along guide is that the section must be perpendicular to the guide drawn. So for that, we have to just place a datum plane. Just go to the datum plane and here I'm going to have the option as infrared and then click on this curve, and at last we have to just click on this point so that this datum plane is going to be get perpendicular along this guide and the offset is going to be as 0. Now just click on OK. Now here I am going to have a sketch on the plane we have drawn, and here I am going to just place the orientation also. So this is going to be infrared. If I just click on this, now click on this point so that the origin could get placed here. Now just click on OK. Now I am going to make a polygon here with 6 number of sides, which is OK. And I'm going to just rotate this like this. Just give the value of radius. This is 80 and this is going to be 270. Now just click on closed. Now just finish this. I'm going to hide this. To hide this, the key is Ctrl+B. Now just again go to the sweep along guide. And here I'm going to select the curve which I have drawn recently under the section. I'm going to select this and this as guide. Now you can see we have drawn a profile like this using the command of sweep along guide. It has swept the section along the guide. Now just click on OK. Now you can see this section, this one which I have drawn, polygon has been swept along this guide. So this is the command we can use for the sweep along guide. Now the application for this command is like this. We can use the sweep along guide to make a model like this I have drawn with the text as cad2liv and the Natra 621 last longer. For the pencil, you can make such models using the sweep along guide. I have used the sweep along guide for the creation of this model. You can also use the sweep along guide for the creation of this model. And if you want the tutorial on how to make this pencil using the sweep along guide, you can comment below and I'll help you with that. So that is all. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.